power, performance, capability, and capacity allow you to take this on new adventures. Take a look at this 2021 Jeep Gladiator Rubicon in bright white. With Fox 2.0 performance shocks, terrain-specific off-road plus mode, 17-inch aluminum wheels, black Freedom Top 3-piece hardtop, tow package, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 55,000 miles on the odometer, 7-inch touchscreen, rear backup camera, rock track part-time 4-wheel drive system, rear 60/40 folding seats, spray and bed liner by MOPAR, 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number K2006.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.